Linking your bank to Roar Health is a straightforward process that allows for easy management of your health expenses. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access your Roar Health account. Log into your Roar Health account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Payment Settings or Billing section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Payment Method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Srug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save or Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Roar Health, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your health-related expenses.